I think it's the cognitive industrial revolution. I'd say that both for the upside, in terms of we don't have anything of our modern life without the industrial revolution, but also for all of the challenges that we need to navigate, including jobs. And I think almost for sure we will have massive transitions. The question is speed, and the question is how to navigate. And part of the reason we talk about this, kind of one of the central things I'm covering in Superagency is that, it's not uh, that it's better to get like to the other side where we have the tools helping us with it, just as we did with the industrial revolution. And part of the good thing about AI is AI can help us in these kinds of transition. You go, well, I can no longer like customer service jobs, I'll go away. I'm no longer a customer service person. What other kinds of things can I do? Can I learn to do? Can I be aided to do? AI helps with all those. So we want to get to those kinds of things being built in order to help. Now, that will involve a lot of societal transformation. Some societies may opt to say, let's do that very slowly. Let's not engage with that. The problem, of course, with that is just like when you look at the history of the pattern of the industrial revolution, the societies that essentially opted away from the industrial revolution had, essentially centuries of more challenges for their children and societies and everything else because they really got, kind of left behind by the societies that embraced. So embracing again at speed really matters.